In this video, the slash falls to pieces. Oh! And then gets abused. Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Oh yeah, Steve in the house. Me in the house, how you doing? Check out what we got in here. Got my slash, got my rustler, GoPro on top. What's Steve got? What you got, Stephen? What you got, Stephen?
We've got Savage.
Savage.
Amp and Hyper 10 SC.
Oh, well done, Boston. Where's that? I don't even know.
What happened?
Cleared it.
Ah. We need a cameraman. Who wants to be cameraman? We got the cameraman in the house.
Back again.
He's back again. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing, Mitchell? Oh.
Okay,
It's lost drive somewhere.
drive shaft. The drive shaft's gone.
Oh, is it in here?
Yeah,
Alright, so getting fixed again. We broke a hex. Well, just rounded off the wheel, but luckily, hey, Steve's got some Hobeo wheels. Cheers, dude! We got new wheels, we got cameraman. Oh, what? Oh, what happened?
I caught a wheel.
What happened?
No.
Oh, I forgot to put the wheel. I forgot to do it up.
well, it's going to fill up the leaf, isn't it?
Oh, what? What?
Why did I have that video?
Alright, back to my wheels again. Maybe they'll stay on this time, maybe they won't. Who knows? Oh!
Just going to jump it for you. Oh! Called it wrong.
What?
I thought this was going to survive.
Oh!
It's just had a wee accident.
You literally just said I thought it was going to survive and
It's got bumpy.
Oh no, it's still on there.
Whoa! Oh! You're going to get copywriting.
Oh, what?
Are you going to put it back on or just leave it be?
What? Not again? Oh no, no, I think I want to get the other car out.
Oh!
That's a good shot, Joe. That's a thumbnail, mate.
I'll get the first one.
Oh, stay there, look.
Oh, no. Let me out! Oh! That's it, you're getting it.
Don't play with the big boys,
I didn't get that on camera, no! Yeah, it has, look. It's on the floor. Wait, what? Oh yeah, the battery fell out.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Ah!
What the? I can get one.
Oh what? You can't be kidding me, right? Why?
Thingy again, the ball.
That's mad, isn't it? Oh, what happened?
What happened? I don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know.
Wait, look, we got more YouTubers. We've got YouTuber here.
So,
We've got YouTuber here. He's YouTubing. He's YouTubing. He's YouTubing. They're YouTubing up there. Pat's YouTubing. He's got the cameras. Oh, everyone's YouTubing. Everyone's YouTubing.
Oh! Yes, my favourite.
All right, let's give the rustler a little blast. Oh! Oh! How's it surviving that? I'm not a vlogger. You're a vlogger. You got to turn that camera around if you're vlogging, mate. Oh, oh! Savage! No wonder they called it a savage. Getting some of that footage. He's getting footage. Man down. Oh! Oh, it's taking a beating today, is it?
Well, it's got to eventually at some point, isn't it?
No. Oh! Go on, Steve, air it out. Don't be shy. When in doubt, go in flat out. Hey, oh! Oi, Steve. Steve, what's your surname?
Flat.
Yes, flat out. It takes a beating now.
Yeah. I put my own little mods on it.
Yeah, the bits that kept breaking is actually modified here. So if you look on the back here, look, it's got
It's made of RPM plastic.
RPM plastic hinge pin brace, and since then it's not broke.
Not yet.
And you put a nut and bolt all the way through as well, didn't you?
X-maxx is back.
Oh, X-maxx is back. Oh, we got. Should we jump a human? There's a kid in there.
Hi.
Oh, GoPro off. Cheers, dude.